it so strong tonight.
Little buddy, I'm jiggling and wiggling.
Here, Nathan. This
Ew.
is your lunch.
No, that's nasty. Is it chocolate chip?
Yes.
Pizza mama.
Ew.
Oh my god. Why'd you say ew?
Because he thinks he's fat. Nathan told me at the grad party he went to, he didn't eat any food because he was too fat.
I did not say that.
You did.
That's a lie.
Whoa, Philip.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
You said there was pizza and you didn't want to eat it because you were too fat.
What? I was at my friend's house the other day and I didn't want to eat food because I was fat.
Nathan, that's really weird. Were you hungry and wanted
No,
something?
not really. I cooked her last. I was just kind of there. Like they didn't buy because we were
He
there.
said everyone's eating but him.
Everyone had a slice besides me, but I didn't care.
No, I think that's
Because I got less calories
that's a
than everyone
food
else.
dis-
But
that's
everyone
an eating
else
disorder
I'm
in the
friends with are
making.
literally
It's that like white people metabolisms. I'm sick of this genetic pool.
Me too.
I am too.
As he opened the fridge.
Cause my genetics make me. Now, Aunt Jen, can you get me something?
Want a banana?
No, definitely not.
I mean, you should see him. He's talking away. You just had to go this way.
I think he's watching his footage. What is he doing? He's itching his side like an ape.
Eric Cole got him through that window.
Oh no, he's coming.
Oh.
Ew. Oh my god, I can't look at that.
So disgusting.
Go in the pool. You want it out.
Don't break it!
Doug will be mad.
A Mad Hatter.
You can buy that instead of your new car. Oh my god.
Oh my God.
Now you made the dogs bark.
You and Nathan do each other.
No, he doesn't do me.
He doesn't do-
He never wants to.
Nathan, you're gonna break the door.
Tell me to come in if he puts sunscreen on my back.
You can come in if you rub in Eric's sunscreen.
Alright, let him in, Hannah.
I'd rather kill myself.
It's unlocked.
I didn't trust you.
You could have literally looked.
Eric, why are you eating all my candy?
I'm using them as pasties.
How many are left in there?
The last two went to my nipples. You need any help with the laundry?
No. You're sick.
Got her.
What if we had boobs?
Nathan,
Why?
he really wants boobs, Mom.
I was just saying that wouldn't it be funny if
Gas station.
Okay, so we were gonna go to the store with Kenny. Well, guess who disappeared randomly?
Without telling anyone.
Yeah, we thought he was going outside to talk to someone on the phone. Nope, the car's gone. So, oh, frick, I'm on the wrong side.
yeah,
Ew, it's his
I
hat.
know, I tried to
Oh my god, $2.99 each? Why are they so cheap?
Oh my god, don't. He'll kill you. Unless you want a good reaction.
Giant Eagles.
Dad blows up at kids for spending too much money at the grocery store.
What's new? That's normal.
He-
This brand is called Sir Thingies, but it's really fun, the packaging.
Yeah, it is
I
fun.
love the water.
Cooling
it's
gel.
just expensive as some bun, too. So,
They should all be this packaging.
I know.
I know.
Like,
way
this one's
better.
ugly. This looks like guy skincare. We're gonna try these Cheetos Stars Summertime Ranch.
Alright, everyone take one. Two, actually. You might need two.
Oh, they're small.
Yeah. Oh my god, the seasoning smells amazing.
They're like these.
There's no in blue, too.
They're
I
like
love-
Cool Ranch.
Oh my god, I look disgusting like among your... Not cheap anymore because, like, they probably would say it's animal abuse.
Can you, Nathan? He just gagged and he didn't even.
Did he really gag?
Yeah.
I didn't even try.
I want to watch you do it again so I can gag.
Put it on your finger and I mean on your tongue.
Eat it.
I'll put it on my finger.
Nathan.
I didn't really taste that either.
It's Gross watching him eat it.
I know, he's eating it like a baby who has no teeth.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Colors
Ooh,
blue.
no.
Oh no.
Whose turn is it?
I get work.
Are you kidding me? These are shuffled.
Guys, I'm
Red berry.
Look.
Don't look, Eric.
I want color.
These are my cards.
Hi.
Sorry, Nathan.
What? Did you just say?
He said, yeah, Nathan, you have to draw 2.
Jersey.
Eric, what are you
Is
doing?
it my turn?
Were you scraping your dead skin on the cards?
Yeah, it's all you do.
You have 2.
Oh no.
Go. Draw 4.
This is so dumb.
Jesus.
What color is that? Blue?
Yes, blue.
I can't tell.
It is.
No, what do you think it is?
Blue.
Green.
You don't have to be so rude.
Okay, I need to explain this video. So basically, I looked at Eric's cards and I saw that we needed to change the color for him to lose. And I told Nathan that within the next 3 people, so me, Noah, Nathan, one of us needs to change the color of the cards before it gets back to Eric so he wouldn't win. And Nathan thought I meant 3 turns per person. So that's why Eric won and he ruined my master plan. So shout out to Nathan. You said you...
You said in the next 3 turns.
I meant us 3. You...
Not like 3 times around. Nathan, you have to keep it down now.
No. Why would you do that?
Nathan, you can't give her cards either.
No, I didn't. I only have 2.
You only dropped.
He tried to give you that.
Eric, you dropped this card.
Pick it up. We already picked up cards. We're doing it.
What do you mean pick it up? I put that down.
You did not.
Yes,
He
I
put
did.
it down.
Nathan didn't take it, did he? Why are you guys switching cards?
I won't take that. I'm confused. Nathan just put this
Did
down.
I put that down or do you put that
I
down?
put that down.
That means...
It's my turn because you reversed it. Noah put down the 9. I put down the 4.
I'm not...
But now I feel like we're cheating.
No, if you would have used that,
Why
then...
can't? Didn't you put that down? You can't pick it up if you put it down.
We already did that in this game. Someone else did it. I
Whatever,
remember it
I'm over
happening.
Put down the freaking 4.
Okay, I have to change colors.
Now Krabby Patty wins because that's all that. Oh my god! I have it on video of your little fit about not getting your
so
way.
he wouldn't win.
That was not
fair.
cheating.
Yeah.
That was Nathan making a stupid mistake.
It wasn't a
said
miss.
next
You don't
week.
put
No,
cards
your
down
turn.
and take them back
Well,
up.
it already happened. What if it's an accident?
Jenny got a new Yeti.
I'm saying the song.
We brought it on vacation, remember? It was that gray and blue one. It sat next to the kitchen counter right next to your cooler.
Okay, why? Who let him bring frozen hot dogs? This isn't Ice Age.
Oh my god.
Is that on video, Haley?
I'm sorry if I got it.
Because I said I don't think I could do it, but I think I'm gonna try that. Haley, that's gonna be good for a vlog. You have to.
My thumbnail would be Luke spitting out his drink.
Oh my god. A genuine spit take.
I don't even know if I can do it.
Looks like a real one.
Shove it
I
in
know.
your
I
mouth.
said,
Eric, I did a spit take.
I said
You can
earlier it looks like a
eat the
penis.
hot dog.
Demonetized.
Here comes Ken and Doug. Over here.
Oh my god.
We're over here, guys.
I saw it.
Okay, so I just
until
wait a minute. Why do you all have to film?
on video.
Okay, do I inhale? Why don't you guys just tell me? I have to hold the button.
You
Right,
hold
you
on,
just
you,
hold the
blow,
button
you like
and you
inhale.
Yeah.
Okay.
But you don't have to swallow it. Just go in your mouth.
Like that.
I thought she didn't inhale anything at first.
I'm trying to get the green. Yeah.
The green's not in front, the purple's in front.
Where's the
Go like this.
Jordan was probably smart.
Other way.
Now you.
There you go. Mom, can you feel me cracking my thing? Hold the phone.
I'm not real good at that.
Mine doesn't fit together.
Hold the phone.
Hold the phone.
No, you have to flip it. Like, you have to be filming me.
Wait, but is it filming your way or
Yeah,
my way?
my way.
Ready?
Yeah,
Okay,
start
go
it again.
Go ahead and go.
Oh, never mind. I thought it was gonna light up cooler.
You gotta kick a little bit.
You got a bad.
Whoa!
That looks better.
There's only 3 left.
Aw. Is my
Just get 'em
purple?
out.
Who wants another one?
Is your purple popped?
I want another.
Haley needs another one because her purple's been popped.
There you go. This is the last. Because you don't want.
Okay, go.
I only get one in vibrato.
Jen, here, you get this one.
Don't.
Well, sounded like you really want.
I don't think the purple on this one works either. Does it take a while?
Yeah, sometimes it does.
Give me mine back.
Here you go.
Look at those. Oh my god.
I hate to break the news to you, Eric, but Nate has an emergency credit card too.
He's had his for 5 years.
You guys would buy concert tickets. And-
Thanks, Haley.
Hey, that's not funny.
It's true.
We did it one
Eric, didn't you
time.
do a Discover card?
And it was $250.
How does that work, Neo?
I didn't get to work.
Eric, pull your shirt down.
No, no,
Sound like Mary.
born is the king of Israel.
He's securing the bag.
What?
Dan secures the bag.
Oh,
Pastor Dan might stand that up.
Whoa, caught in a bedroll.
Carla. Little DB, come here, Dia.
Yeah, that's me. What's that from? Yeah, that's me. This is the
That's a
channel?
raven.
Oh, yeah, it is. Yeah, that's me. That's so it's the future and the scary. I like to match it all to one.
Yeah.
You're not gonna do that.